Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you the how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that we should find the scan QR codes application. Okay, it's not here in Google and Microsoft. Okay, so let's just open it here from the notification panel. So somewhere here you should find scan QR code icon. Just click here once, and after that we should place this QR code here into this frame. Let's just do that. Now just wait a second, and we can see that our device find this link to this QR code, so we can open it in browser just directly. Okay, let's just I'll make it one more time to show you. Okay, so now we can open it in browser just directly, or also we can copy this link to send, for example, to someone. So let's just open it in browser, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia link. So this is correct QR code, correct link here. So that's it. That's how to just scan QR codes on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.